An explanatory probability question based on permutations and combinations. You may want to pause the video and do these yourself. On the GMAT, you won't have such cards-based questions because of cultural reasons, as such questions may benefit students from some countries more than students from others. However, I'm still taking this example because there's a lot you can learn from this example. If you can solve all the 8 questions on this slide, you actually understand permutation combination as well as probability. 3 cards drawn from a pack of 52, so the denominator is going to be 52C3. All aces, there are 4 aces, so out of 4, 3 being aces, the numerator is 4C3. Favorable events 4C3, total events 52C3, that is the answer. To get the second one now, for any one denomination there are 4 cards. Out of 4, 3 can be chosen in 4C3 ways, and there are 13 such denominations. So this represents the number of favorable events. Number of total events remain the same. That is the answer. Look at the third one now. One suit has 13 cards. Out of 13 cards, 3 can be chosen in 13C3 ways, and then there are 4 such suits. So number of favorable events is 13C3 into 4, and number of total events is 52C3. So this is the answer. For each color, there are 26 cards, 26 red cards and 26 black cards. So out of 26 cards, 3 can be chosen in 26C3 ways, and then there are 2 such possibilities, one for red cards and one for black cards. So total number of favorable cases is these, and total cases is 52C3. 2 red and 1 black, so out of 26 red cards, 2 are chosen, and out of 26 black, 1 is chosen upon total number of cases, which is 52C3. Look at this one now. No king or queen, but at least one ace. So 44C3 represents the number of cases where there is no king or queen. Out of 52, I removed 8 kings and queens. So 44C3, and 40C3 would be the number of cases where there is no king, no queen, no ace. If I take the difference of these two, what do I get? No king, no queen minus no king, no queen, no ace. That means I'm getting the cases where there is at least one ace, but there are no kings or queens. So this is the number of desired cases. Total remains 52C3. This is the right answer. Let me create some space for the last two. These two questions are about conditional probability. The denominator is no longer 52C3 because a certain condition is given. In the second last question, it is given that it is known that all cards are red cards. So denominator has only the cases with red cards, 26 red cards, out of which 3 have been drawn. Honor cards, in all there are 16 honor cards. Red honor cards would be 8. So the required probability is 8C3 upon 26C3. Look at the last question now. It is known that no card drawn is club. So that means the drawn cards are out of the other 39. 13 clubs have been removed. 39C3 is the sample space. Now favorable cases, out of these 39 cards, 12 are honor cards. Remember, the 4 club honor cards should not be included. 12 honor cards, and out of these 12, 3 can be selected in 12C3 ways. So the last answer is 12C3 upon 39C3. This was the concept, guys. GMAT shorts are deliberately kept brief. For an elaborate explanation, please refer the stage 1 videos. Thanks for watching.